Since 1975, there has been a name, with more than 3,000 installed concrete plants in 6 continents and 110 countries. Winner of many awards with its designs and quality, pioneer of the sector with a vast experience, Elkon. Elkon, which performs its production based on experienced human resources and high technology in 4 different integrated production facilities with a huge area of 65,000 meters square, is the largest producer of concrete batching plants in Europe, with its annual production and sales figures, and the leading and only concrete batching plant producer among the first 1,000 exporters of Turkey in the last 10 years. With the vision of having the world's most technologically advanced concrete machinery manufacturing facilities, Elkon is constantly working and continues to make major strides towards digitalizing its factories with its large investments. Elkon, with such a superior success in concrete plant production, proudly presents its brand new product, Elkoblock 36M fully automatic multi-layer concrete block making machine. Steering the concrete plant sector with its innovative approach and technological production, Elkon presents a top segment product aiming at sustainable high quality and optimum performance in block production, again with the same approach. Specially designed by expert professionals of Elkon to produce hundreds of kinds of stones, particularly interlocking paving stones, curbstones and blocks, Elkoblock 36M has the capacity to produce concrete paving stones over 1,000 square meters in an 8-hour shift. Elkoblock 36M works with the principle of compressing the concrete in the mold determined according to the product to be produced, and completes each cycle in 24 seconds. Elkoblock 36M has a high-performance multi-circuit hydraulic system, 3 hydraulic pumps and proportional valve to adjust speed according to the product to be manufactured. The machine has an amplitude and frequency-controlled vibration system according to the product to be manufactured. Elkoblock 36M is designed to provide long service life with 4-column rigid construction, certified high-quality steel and chrome-plated guide for tamper head. Elkoblock 36M offers superior features such as feeding grid inside concrete feed drawers for high-speed feeding, automated height adjustment for feed drawers, hydraulic discharge controlled bins with level indicators, also fast mold changing, which saves time while changing product type. With its highly flexible and user-friendly software, your concrete block production will be much better, faster and easier with Elkoblock 36M. All production records and parameters are under your control at any time you want. All production steps and parameters can be controlled via the automation system, and all production data are recorded in the system. And if you want, you can be provided with technical support service by Elkon engineers who will analyze the data and diagnose the problems with online connection to be established. With more than 40 years of experience, Elkon has established concrete plants and concrete transportation systems for the production of precast concrete elements in many countries of the world. Now presents complete solutions for its customers by adding concrete block making machines to its product range. With an innovative approach, Elkon will continue to provide highest quality products.